Hi, welcome to the channel where I post challenging math problem video daily. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So without further delay, let's start. Today we have a problem which has came in Gaokao 2016. So this problem is a 3D geometry problem. So this problem said there is a right triangular prism ABC, A dash, B dash, C dash below, and D and E are the midpoints of the line AB and BC respectively. Point F is on the edge B1B, and B1D is perpendicular to A1F, and A1C1 is perpendicular to A1B1. So we have to prove the line DE is parallel to the surface A1C1F, and the second is this surface B1DE is perpendicular to the surface A1C1F. Okay, so I have draw this figure again. So this is the figure, and based on the information it is given that A1C1 is perpendicular to A1B1, which means this is 90 degree. Okay, and so similarly, as it is a right triangular prism, so this is also 90 degree. Okay, and this F point is on, this is F point is on the edge B1B. Okay, and B1D is perpendicular to A1F. B1D, this B1D, this line is perpendicular to F1F, means this is 90. Okay, this is given. So to solve this, let us assume few points for easiness. So let us assume this A as origin. So here our initial point of A is 0, and let the length of the base is 2 unit, and length of this side is 4 unit. Okay, so based on this all information we will figure out all these other points. Okay, and another assumption is, let's say this is x axis, this is y axis, and this is z axis. Okay, now let us first draw this. uh, this is C. Okay, this is C. Okay, let us assume this first triangle, the base triangle. Let's draw again. So this is A, B, C. This is D, and this is E. Okay. Okay. Now A is 0, 0, 0. We have uh, assumed the length of AB is 2 units, so it means this is 2 comma 0 comma 0, as it is on the x-axis. So as it is given that D is the midpoint, so D is 1 0 0. Okay, now C is along the negative z-axis. Okay, so the base is, say, uh, this base is, say, this is 0, then 0, and this is 2 unit along the negative direction. Okay, so minus 2. Now if E is the midpoint of BC, so we can write E as 1 comma 0 comma minus 1. Okay. Now the uh, second is this upper triangle. Okay, so this is a dash, this is b dash, and this is c dash. So a dash is 4 unit above, so 0 4 0. B dash point is just, it is above the this b point, so 2 4 0, and c dash is this is c point is 0, then y unit means 4, and y dash means minus 2. Okay, and any other thing? No. Okay, now this b dash we have found. Acha, another information given is b dash d is perpendicular to a dash f. Okay, so b dash d. Okay, so b dash d is a dash f. Okay, so okay, another point f is, so let's, f is on the edge of b dash c, so its f point is, it is on the same line, so 2 comma its y unit we don't know, so it assume this is y, and this is 0. Okay, so this is y. So I think we have established all the points. Okay, now this line DE and A1 C1 F. Okay, now line B dash D. Okay, sorry, line DE. So the line D. So we have to find the line DE. So line DE, its direction vector is the direction vector is that we assume the direction vector of the line DE is B vector. So B vector is E vector minus D position vector. So E vector means 0 0 1. Okay, now this surface ACF. Okay, now the surface, first we have to calculate the point F. Okay, so how do we calculate the point F? This y point, it is given that A dash f is perpendicular to b dash d. Just a minute. So b dash d is perpendicular to a f. Okay, a dash f. So b dash d means this b vector minus d vector minus b dash vector. So d vector is 1 0 0 minus this b dash vector is 2 4 0. Okay, so this is minus 1 minus 4 0. So this is b vector, b dash vector, and a dash f vector is f vector minus a vector. Okay, so a vector means 2y0 minus a dash vector is 0 4 0. So this is 2y minus 4 0. Okay, now these two vectors are perpendicular, so their dot product must be 0. So minus 1 into 2, we are making this dot a dash f dot b dash t. This should be 0. So minus 4 into y minus 4, and this is 0, so this is 0. Okay, so solve for this. So 2 minus 4y plus 4, so 4y is minus 2, so y is, so we have found out the f point. So f point is 2 half 0. Now the surface a1 c1 f, so a1 c1 f, so the normal vector is, let's assume there are two vectors on this surface. First one is, uh, let's say, just wait a minute. Let's say there are two vectors in this surface, a dash f and a dash c dash. Okay, so a dash f means f minus a. So f vector is this 2 half 0 minus a dash vector. A dash vector is 0 4 0. Okay, so this is 2 comma half minus 4 means minus 7 by 2 and 0. Okay, and a dash c dash vector is c dash vector minus a dash vector. So c dash vector is this one 0 4 minus 2, 0 4 minus 2, minus a dash vector is 0 4 0. So this is 0 0 minus 2. Now we have to find this normal vector. So normal vector is their cross product. So normal vector means a dash f cross a dash c dash. So I j k 2 minus 7 by 2 0 and 0 0 minus 2. Okay, so I this is 7 minus j is minus 4 plus k is 0. Okay, so the normal vector is 7 comma plus 4 means 4 and 0. So this is the normal vector. Now we have to establish the relation that line DE is parallel to the surface of A1 C1 F. So as line DE is, to check, to prove parallel to A dash C dash F. So there must be their normal vector and their direction vector. The dot product of two of them are 0. So let's see. So the normal vector is 7 4 0, and the direction vector of DE line. So DE line is this 0 0 1 0 0 1. So 0 into 7 plus 0 into 4 plus 1 into 0. So this is 0. So which means this is parallel. This is okay. Now the second point is surface B1DE and A1C1F is perpendicular. Okay. Now the surface B1DE is perpendicular to A1C1F. Okay. B1DE. So let's find the normal vector of B1DE. So similar procedure to be followed. So there are two vectors. Say assume one is b1d and another is b1f. Okay, so b1d minus d minus b dash vector, and this is f minus b dash vector. So d vector is 1 0 0. So this is 1 0 0 minus uh, okay, this f vector is 2 half 0. Just a minute. 2 half 0 minus. Now b dash vector is 2 4 0. Okay, so 2 4 0. Okay, so b dash, this first vector is uh, 1 minus minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 0, and second vector is 2 minus 2 is 0, half minus 4 means minus 7 by 2 and 0. Okay, so now we have to find the normal vector. So normal vector n2 is their cross product. So I j k, this b dash d cross b dash f. Okay, so this is minus 1 minus 4 0 and 0 minus 7 by 2 0. Okay, so the vector is this is 0, then minus j is also 0, plus k is plus 7 by 2. Okay, so 0 comma 0 comma 7 by 2. So this is the n2 vector. Now n1 vector we have already found out. Our first, this n1 vector is this 740. This is 740. Now for two surface which are perpendicular, so n1 dot n2 must be 0. Okay, so just make the dot. So 7 dot 0 plus 4 dot 0 plus 0 into 7 by 2. So this is 0. So we have established our second proof that these two surfaces are perpendicular. Okay, so I think this is a simple problem. Just to first you have to uh, think and assume few points, and rest is depends on the calculation. Okay, so this is all for today. See you tomorrow.